In this Traffix review, I'm going to be showing you a software in which you could be getting free Traffix from 400 different sources. So that's what they're claiming, and it's all for a price of $14.95. So if you're wondering if this is worth your time, stick around till the end of the video. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer, and if you want to get my 5 proven steps to quit your 9 to 5 job with affiliate marketing, you can click the first link in the description. So TraffixAI is basically a traffic generator, and they are claiming that you could be getting almost 400 sources of free traffic in 2 clicks. So those are some big claims. So the real question is, you need to really ask yourself, is it really that easy to get these free traffics and all for just $14.95? So that's the real question. So if you want to get traffic in the normal sense, you will have to use paid advertisement or use the organic traffic method. And it's really hard to get the traffic and make sales. So they're claiming you could be getting all of these free traffic for just $14.95. So this price is actually very low, and the return on investment seems so high, and the sales page all seems really good, and the sales video also really good. So the thing is that I have found a lot of red flags in TraffixAI, and this is like too good to be true. Anything that sounds too good to be true is not really that good. You have to keep in mind. And also, the reason why I think TraffixAI is not worth your time is because of the OTUs and upgrade. So the front end, they cost about $17, but at the time of recording this video, it's $14.95, but it can fluctuate between $14.95 and $17. So it can really fluctuate. So after you get into the front end, it's only $17. So you get this product for $17, and you get some features here and there. But this offer keeps on going. So you get the first OTO, which is $39. Then the second OTO is $197. Then the third OTO is $39. And the fourth OTO is $197. And the fifth OTO is $39. So in order to get all the features of TraffixAI, you need to be purchasing all of these OTOs and upgrades. So you're going to be getting an access to these OTOs after you buy the front end. So when you get into the front end, you will think like they don't have much features, so you will keep on upgrading to the first OTO. Then after you get into the first OTO, you will think that, oh man, I don't have much features. Then you will go again and again purchase the next OTO. So this is like a sales funnel, and this is how the owner of TraffixAI makes money. So you guys keep on upgrading the software, and the more money he makes. So to get the full features, it costs you a lot of money if you combine all of that. So that's the first red flag I found. And the second red flag I found is that it's about the vendor. So this is the vendor that made the product. His name in Warrior Plus is Launchforce. He's one of the top 10% vendors in Warrior Plus. So he's got quite the reputation in Warrior Plus. But the thing is that all of this sounds good. But if you look at his other products, so if you go here, you can see that all his past products didn't get much reviews. So if you look at this past product, which is Cash AI, which also I have reviewed, it has got only 2.86 star review, but the sales he got is quite high. He has got almost 500 plus sales for this particular software over here. So the reason why he got so much sales is because of the sales page. I mean, look at how the sales page looks. The sales page looks really attractive, and anyone would have basically bought this software when you see all of these results. Even I would have personally fallen for that. So if you look at all these earnings are not his. So these are the earnings he's basically making from selling all of these products in Warrior Plus. So you can look at here. So he's making his money by selling all of these products, and not with affiliate marketing or not with this particular software over here. His money is from the sales that you guys are buying. I want you to keep that in mind. And the different OTOs and upgrades is going to make him a lot of money. So if you look at his other products also, this one has got 2.6 star and 3.4 star and 1.2 star, then you have 2.5 star, 1.76 star. So the rating is really low. And in Warrior Plus, you need to be having at least 4-star review in order to identify it as a good product. So if you look at his sales, he has got this much sales, and the average rating is also 2.16, which is very low if you look at other Warrior Plus products. So in Warrior Plus, there are a lot of products which has got 1 or 2-star review. So I really don't recommend this vendor or his products because of his rating. If there is anything above 4-star review, I'm definitely going to promote that. And if I really feel that it's a good product, I will definitely promote that. But this is a product I won't personally recommend. And also, if you're looking for some other ways to boost your traffic, so I have already done a review on Lazy Leads, and it's a pretty amazing software, and you could easily get leads by just typing in your industry and the location that you want these clients from. So it's going to basically scrap all the data from Google, and it's going to give you all these emails and phone number. I feel like this is way better than the Traffix AI over here. So this is something I would promote. This is an alternative. And if you look at the license tier, you can basically go ahead with whatever you want. And if you're looking for this, make sure you click the second link in the description, and you could be purchasing Lazy Leads. So this is an amazing software, and I promote softwares that are really useful for people. So you can see that the reviews Lazy Leads are getting is quite good in AppSumo. So AppSumo lifetime deal, this is like one of the popular products. So if you want to get it, you can go ahead and get it. But for the case for TraffixAI, this is something I wouldn't really recommend because of how much this vendor reviews are on Warrior Plus, which is very low. And also, if you still want to go ahead and try out TraffixAI, you can scroll all the way down till here. Okay, so here you could be seeing it. So you can see all of what you're going to be getting. You might think this is all very good, but let me tell you guys, you're not going to be getting any traffic nor sales with this product because of the vendor. He's just making the sales page very attractive. So if you want to still go ahead and buy it, you can buy it if you want. And also you get a money back guarantee, 365-day money back guarantee. And they basically say that there is no risk. But remember guys, the vendor is not guaranteed to give you any refund because of how much reviews he's getting. So that's one thing to keep in mind. You might not even get a refund in the first place, which is why I really don't recommend, but you can try if you want. So that's basically it for this review of TraffixAI. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you're still watching this video, and if you're looking for a way to make big money online, I'm talking about a way to make, $5,000 to $10,000 per month. If you're looking to make that kind of money, I suggest you click the first link in the description. And I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.